Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are making another Spanish recipe. This is Arroz, a Banda from Alicante. Alicante is a place in southeast Spain, and this rice dish is by far could be one of the best rice dishes I've had in my life. I'm not even exaggerating this. It is so good, it tastes good, and it doesn't take a lot of ingredients, and it smells amazing, and it's also very few steps. And a lot of people would say that to summarize this dish, it's like a paella, but less ingredients and less steps. But of course, it's not the same, but it's very similar. So let's show you guys how to make it. For the Arroz de Alicante, here we have 100 grams of shrimp that we've cut into small pieces. About each shrimp cut into 3 small pieces. Here we have 100 grams of calamari that we've also cut into small pieces. 2 medium tomatoes pureed. 1 cup yellow rice that we'll wash and all that later on. 3 cups fish broth, salt and pepper. 3 tablespoons extra virgin Spanish olive oil. A teaspoon of the Spanish paprika. This is the medium one, so it's not the spicy one, it's not the sweet one, it's the medium one. About 3 cloves of garlic that we've cut into small pieces. And usually you need a little bit of saffron, but because we don't really have the saffron anymore, we are just going to use this cube for the saffron flavor. Put our pan to heat up a little bit earlier, and now we're going to add some olive oil. So once the oil has heated up, and don't leave it for too long, it shouldn't take that long because olive oil is going to burn quickly. We're going to add the calamari. We have it on high heat so that it doesn't release its water. So now we're going to add the shrimp. So alongside the shrimp, we're also going to be adding in the garlic. And we're just going to saute all of this together. So it already smells amazing with the olive oil and the garlic. And now that they've cooked a little bit, we're going to add the tomatoes. So to the tomatoes, we're going to be adding in the paprika. And the saffron cube. And we're just going to give it a little mix. So once you've mixed all of that together, and once the cube has dissolved for us, now we're going to add the salt and pepper. So going to be adding in the pepper. So once you mix in the salt and pepper, once you just give it a mix, we're going to be adding in the rice that we've rinsed earlier on. And we're just going to mix in the rice so that it absorbs all of these good flavors. So once you've mixed it all together, now we're just going to add the broth slowly. Once you've poured in all of the broth, now we're just going to let it cook on high heat for 7 minutes. So it's been 7 minutes on high heat, and it already smells amazing. Also, just make sure to not stir it. In case you need to mix anything, you just do like this. And now we're just going to lower the heat, so from high to, I'd say, medium, and we'll let it just cook. So the rice has absorbed all of the liquid, and we've also added some whole shrimps just to give it some difference, some nice texture. Just a few of these for some extra addition. And the rice is nice and soft, and it smells amazing, really. So yeah. So to garnish it, we've just added some lemons on the side, because for anyone who wants to drizzle a little bit of lemon on top, because seafood and lemon go really well together. It smells so good, it looks amazing, and I can't wait to actually try it, even though I already tried it while it was cooking, because if anyone knows anything about me, I'm always taste testing things while they are cooking, so it doesn't matter if it's raw or cooked, I'm still tasting it. So good. Best rice dish I've ever had in my life, actually. Not exaggerating. It is so good, and it doesn't take a lot of ingredients or a lot of steps, but the taste is just spot on. It tastes amazing, and the rice is not too mushy or overcooked. It's perfect. So I highly recommend trying. So this brings us to the end of today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and follow me on my social media so you guys can support me to make more content. I'm available on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Discord. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!